Sat Shri Akal guys, welcome back to ES Creative Arts. So today in this video, I'm going to draw Cristiano Ronaldo. I will teach you step by step how to draw the outline of this sketch. I did a poll on Instagram and Ronaldo sketch got the most votes. Oh, one more thing. You can download the reference image from the link in the description and don't forget to like and share this video. So grab your drawing material. Without wasting any more time, let's begin. So first of all, I will draw a center line dividing the sheet into two equal halves. I will draw a straight line with a gap of 10 cm from the top of the sheet. Now mark 2.5 cm below this line and draw the second line. With the distance of 1 cm from the second line, I will draw the third line. And distance of 3.5 cm for the fourth line. You can name these lines as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I will outline the first eye on the right side of the sheet. I will outline the brow a little above the eye. Now I will draw the second eye on the left side of the sheet. On the second line, I will outline the nose. Remember, the outline should touch the second line. Slightly above the third line, I will draw the outline of upper lip. Mark 0.7 cm above the fourth line to draw the chin. Side by side, I will draw the side face outline. Now I will draw the outline of ear on the right side. To outline the head, I will mark 3 cm from the first line. Now outline the ear on the left side. Finally, it's a turn for the outline of hairs. Now I will outline the neck. Now I will draw the outline of clothes. Erase these lines when the sketch is completed. So the outline of our sketch is completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and share this video with your friends and comment your favorite part of this video. In the second part of this video, we will do the shading in this outline. Subscribe to this channel for more such videos and press the bell icon. Follow me on Instagram for more latest updates. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay good, stay in chardikla.